Hello, my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel, for coming back and for giving lots of love to the channel. And I am glad that I help you out in some manner. This is your bonus love reading for Feb 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. Okay, and whatever is resonating, take it and leave the rest, because this is the general bonus reading, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest. I have already uploaded your main reading, your general reading, your extended reading. You can have a look on that too. And if you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Okay. So let's start your bonus love reading for Feb 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important to deliver to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages. Okay. What are the messages? Make the best choices. Okay, Aquarius, right now you have to make some kind of choices, and if you are making choices, make the best choices for you. Okay, so that's the message which I'm getting here, that you need to make the best choices. Cheer up, live in the moment, live in the now moment. You have to let go of the past. Don't worry about the future. Live in the now moment and enjoy your present. Then there is Dove. Take a leap of faith. Here the Fool card is here. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. There is competition, summon courage and self-confidence. So keep your confidence and self-confidence with you, Aquarius. Okay, self-confidence and confidence is here. Take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. So that was the messages from this deck. Let's see what are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius. Control. Your mind is controlling, your mind thoughts are controlling you, Aquarius. Okay, and you are carrying lot of burden on your shoulder. You need to release any burdens which you are carrying on. Do not indulge in your mind thoughts. Okay, do not get controlled by your thoughts, because I know, being an Aquarius, when we start thinking, we think a lot. Okay, we trapped in our own mind thoughts. So don't trapped in your own mind thoughts, because you are thinking a lot here, and you're carrying a lot of burden on your shoulders. So release any burdens which you are carrying on. Keep your courage. See, keep your courage. Here again the same message is here. Keep your courage, your strength, your confidence with you, Aquarius. Beautiful. And see, again the same message. I told you the Fool card. Again the Fool card is here again. Take a leap of faith, move in a forward direction. Take a leap of faith, Aquarius. That's the message I'm getting here from the both deck. Take a leap of faith. Okay, the Fool card is here. Keep your courage, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. You will get a breakthrough. Whatever is going on in your life, you will get a breakthrough for that. Okay, just release any burden which you are carrying on your shoulder, and do not indulge in your mind thoughts, because your mind can trap you. Okay, if you start thinking a lot, so don't indulge in overthinking. Thank you so much, Oshos and Tarot, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the Energy Oracle deck for my Aquarius. Give me the messages. Wow, door to spirit is open. Okay, you are not alone. There are spirits from the spirit's realm. There is angels, there are guidance, there is divine, there is universe which is there with you. Okay, you are not alone. The spirit world is guiding you. Third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. See, wow, and goddess of the moon. Beautiful. These three cards are telling me that you are getting more intuitive than before. Your intuition is trying to tell you. Okay, your third chakra is getting activated. The door of spirit is opening up. So use your intuition and move in a forward direction. Take a help from the divine, because divine help is there. You are not alone at all. Okay, your solar plexus chakra is getting activated. Okay, so the issue here revolve around emotion of desire, and your personal energy is going to resolve. There is an enthusiasm, there is confidence which is present, and soon is going on its way. Okay, you will complete whatever you're going to you are desiring in your life. You are going to receive it. Maybe there are some adjacent possibilities which you have to make. Yeah, so seventh chakra, Archangel Uriel, and patience. See, I told you, you need to keep your patience, keep your strength, keep your confidence with you, Aquarius. See, again, seventh chakra, Archangel Uriel is your intuitions, Aquarius. You are very intuitive here, very intuitive. Lot of spirit messages, lot of spirit guidance is with you. Okay, there is lot of, see, there are too many cards which are telling me that you are getting guidance from your spirits, from your divine, from your angels, from the guardian angel, from the spirit realms. You are getting intuitions here, so work on your intuitions. Wow, wow, you are manifesting something. The magician is here, and what are you manifesting? You're manifesting your yin and your yang, your happy family, your happy life, your marriage life, your divine counterpart. You are manifesting that, Aquarius, and you are walking away from someone who was very jealous here. You are walking away from someone who is very jealous here, and you are resting and rejuvenating yourself. You are doing your healing. Maybe you are in a in a relationship before where there was no stability, there was a lot of envy energy was there, but you are walking away from that person here. You are walking away, and now you are manifesting it. Keep manifesting it. Okay, Aquarius, keep manifesting, because you are manifesting very beautiful energy here, the yin and yang and the happy family. This is 10 of cups, happily ever after. That is what you are manifesting here. Beautiful. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. So work according to your intuitions, because you are very intuitive right now, Aquarius. Okay, very intuitive, and you will work according to that. Use your intuitions, use the messages which you are receiving, Okay, see, I just cut it out. The sun, the new happy beginnings are coming for you. So let's see. Thank you so much, Energy Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. Give me the messages which I need to deliver for my Aquarius. The Judgment and the Cracker. Soul searching will bring inner peace to many areas of your life. See, in your main reading also I was getting the Justice and the Judgment. So when you do your soul searching, then only you will able to make a judgment for your life. And this is also the other meaning is that the divine is making a judgment for your life. The Cracker, positive energy surrounds you, love, joy and good fortune awaits. So good fortune is coming for you. Excuse me. Yeah, so good fortune is coming for you. There is a lot of positive energy which is surrounding you. Good fortune is coming for you, Aquarius. Yesterday what happened, that there was a lot of firecrackers which was happening outside my home. Okay, so yes, there is a lot of positive energy which is surrounding for you. I'm not going to take a lot of energies. Eagle, you will soar towards your destiny with greater clarity and strength. Okay, with greater clarity and strength, You will soar your destiny with greater clarity and strength like an eagle. Bottom of the deck, I'm having marriage, world, and proposal. Key. Wow, beautiful energies. You're completing a cycle with someone. Many of you are going to get your marriage proposal here, and let me know in the comment section if you get your marriage proposal. But marriage proposal you will receive, and if you're not receiving any marriage proposal, that then you will receive a commitment, okay, a commitment in your relationship, but you are receiving it. There is world card. Be open to new possibilities of your life. You are closing out new old cycles and you're beginning new cycles here. There is a proposal which is coming for you. Either it is a business proposal or it is a romantic proposal. Many of you, you are going to receive your marriage proposal here, okay. Wow. New beginnings, the key, the new beginnings in your life is happening. New adventures are for those who ready to let go of the past. So you are letting go of the past. That's why these beautiful things are coming for you, Aquarius. And I'm very happy for you. Okay. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some message from the fairy oracle of fairy. Okay. Wow. Wow. New beginnings. I told you new beginnings. The sun card is coming for you. New happy beginnings are coming for you. What are the messages? Magical gateway. In your general reading also I got that magical gateway. The new doors are opening for you. The blessings are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay. It takes courage and trust to venture in the unknown. Yet this is where the greatest rewards are. It's time to step boldly forward without looking back. Okay, can you see how this fairy is holding a key and she opens the door, and after opening the door there is light. Okay, so you have to keep move in a forward direction. Okay, here take a leap of faith. Take a leap of faith, move in a forward direction, because you have a key here. You have a key in your hand. So beautiful message from this deck. Let's see. Okay. Motivation, purity, wisdom, and manifestation. Okay, when spring approaches, the flower fairy urges you to spring into action. Is there something you have been merely thinking about doing? They say get busy and do it. So whatever you are thinking to do, Aquarius, do it, go for it, take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction here. Okay, that's why this card has come for you. You are thinking about something to do, go do it, Aquarius. Then there is purity. Always trust in the purity of your heart. Look inside your heart and within you will find the answer of your question. Okay, your heart knows everything, your soul knows everything. So you need to ask your soul and ask the question which you are looking for. You're looking for answers, you will get the answers from within your heart. There is manifestation and there is wisdom. Have you ever been told that you are wise beyond your years? Now it's the time to call upon your inner fairy wisdom to help you with a challenge. And as you know, you are becoming more stronger day by day by gaining more confidence and the strength, and you're learning from the experiences, whatever experiences you have faced in these years, okay, in your previous years, and because of those challenges now you have become more powerful. Okay, so use your wisdom, Aquarius, use your wisdom here. Then there is manifestation. Be very honest and clear about what you wish to manifest in your life. Now write it down on a paper. Manifestation step 1. I told you, you are doing your manifestation here. The magician was here. So you write it down on a paper. That is the first step, so that you can clearly mention the universe and the divine what you want to manifest in your life, because you are doing your manifestation. Okay, you are doing, and you can manifest anything, Aquarius. You have all tools to manifest whatever you want to manifest in your life. Thank you so much, fairies, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see one or two cards from the grace cards. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Okay. compassion. Okay, be gentle with yourself, Aquarius. You are magnificent soul. You have to take care of yourself. Be gentle with yourself. Then there is act, ask and receive. Beautiful. Charge forward. See again, act, Aquarius. You need to keep move in a forward direction. That's the very direct message which I'm getting for you, that you need to move in a forward direction. Act in your life. Charge forward, Aquarius. Take a leap of faith. Move in a forward direction. When we combine actions with an unwavering faith, the power of grace will meet our need. Okay, so you need to act. Okay, move in a forward direction. That's a very clear message which I'm getting for you. There is ask. When we call upon divine for guidance and support, we will receive a response. Spiritual signposts will be put in our path to guide us to our highest good. Okay, so you can call upon divine for guidance and you will receive it, because here I'm having ask and receive, both are here. Okay, when we open ourselves up to others, we open ourselves to the abundance of universe. So you need to ask and you need to receive, so that you can receive whatever you want to receive in your life. Beautiful. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see, let's add some cards from the crystal spirits and see what are the messages which they want to give to my lovely Aquarius. What are the messages you want me to deliver to my Aquarius? Orange calcite. Okay, and it's in heart form. Let me read it out for you. Creativity, the pleasure of birthing something new, sensuality and sexuality. The creative force of conscious universe flow through you, and this is a fertile time for you as you feel your connection to the source of all intuitiveness. Right now, your ability to channel creativity and birth something new is exceptional, Aquarius. Orange calcite spirit's message is fully inhabit the role of artist and co-creator for you, as you are the creative type right now. Being playful as you exercise your imagination will help you recognize what you want to co-create and how you might take action towards fulfilling your deepest desire. Beautiful. Begin to heal the wounds of the past created when you were told no or you said no to your potential. Say yes to yourself today, for your creative soul is urging you to let it express itself. Start by drawing, painting, dancing, singing. Use any art form that puts you in touch with your awesome inner artist, for it help you remember as a powerful co-creator you are. Beautiful. So use your creativity, and move in a forward direction, Aquarius. Very beautiful message. You can create anything right now, whatever you want to create. 1155 was the recording reading time. Okay, let's see what are the messages. Thank you so much, crystal spirits, for giving the messages. Let's see what are the messages from healing mantra for my lovely Aquarius. Any one more message? Welcoming surrender. There is no problem, only destiny being revealed. Okay, so you need to surrender yourself to the divine so that you can get whatever you want to achieve in your life. 1 2 3 4 was the recording reading time. Celebrating simplicity. I am more fulfilled when there is less to manage and maintain. So you need to be simple. Simplify your life. Celebrate your simplicity. Rewriting the subconsciousness. The more I embrace feeling good, the less often I will feel bad. So you need to rewrite your subconsciousness, because whatever you will feed in yourself, in your subconsciousness, you can rewrite your subconsciousness. Okay, you need to clear out whatever negative thoughts or whatever you told in the past, and you can rewrite your subconsciousness. So these are the messages from this deck. Beautiful messages. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add 1 or 2 cards from the native spirit. Okay, what are the messages? Wow, tracker and freedom horse. Okay, enjoy your freedom, Aquarius. Freedom horse resembles that you are having independence everywhere. You are an independent soul. You independence is your birthright. That's the message I'm getting here. But I will read it out from the book so that you can get whole message. Okay. Freedom horse. Let your spirit fly. Do not hold back. Break free and express yourself. Flaunt your stuff, dance, laugh, explore, and go beyond predictable behavior. Get out of the rut. You don't need to fit in the mold. Be daring, filling your arms to the heavens in joy. Okay, so you don't have to do what others have to do. Okay, just go what your let your spirit fly and do what you want to do. Then there is tracker. Focus your intent and your passion on one thing rather than being scattered in different directions. Be single minded in what truly important in your life and let everything else go. Track the unseen but very real stream of energy to that which you desire. So you need to focus on one thing what you desire in your life so that you can get what you want. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add one or two cards from the super attractor here, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius which I need to deliver. Give me the messages. Too many cards. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Okay. 4 message. Okay. Let's read it out. Manifesting is the creative process of aligning with the energy of universe to co-create an experience that elevates my spirit and the spirit of the world. See, I told you are doing your manifestation. So manifestation message is coming again and again, and you will manifest once you align with the universe and the energy of the universe. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting. When I am grateful for what I have, I can feel good along the way to what I desire. Always have an attitude of gratitude, Aquarius. Always be thankful, be grateful for whatever you have right now in your life, to the divine, to the universe, to the God, that they have blessed you so many things in your life. Then there is appreciation. Appreciation dissolves all blocks to the presence of my super attractor power. Beautiful and very powerful message is here. Okay, this once you start appreciating everything in your life, that will dissolve all the blocks which you are having in your life, Aquarius. My true safety lies in my capacity to align with the love of the universe. Beautiful, and that's right. Your true capacity is to, you have to align yourself with the universe as soon as you can, because once you are aligned, you can create wonderful things in your life, Aquarius. Okay, so these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much, Super Attractor deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my Aquarius. So this was your bonus love reading for Feb 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Take care of yourself, and if you want to let me anything, you can let me know in the comment section, and I will be glad that I help you out in some manner. Take care of yourself and see you soon.